picked some of these flowers at my cabin in the mountains and pressed them, and instead of letting them fade away, I wanted to create a beautiful art project. And so what I have here is a frame, and it's a glass frame. It doesn't have a backing, and then taupe paper, some tweezers, and a fine tip micron pen. We are going to create a simple flower bouquet. And you can start with a bigger sheet of paper and just tear your edges. You want them to be nice and rough and antique looking. And you get this look when you're done. What you will do is you're going to draw some simple stems with your micron pen. You don't want a lot of detail. You want it to be very, very clean and simple. Then you will take your tweezers and start with your biggest flowers first. And you want to dot the glue on the back. Delicately place them. And then you'll build around them with smaller details. Don't overthink, just let it feel natural. And this is my favorite part. I put glue underneath, placed it on my frame. I love how this turned out.
Thank you so much for creating with me today. I hope you love seeing these pressed flowers come to life. If you try this, I'd love to see your creations, so tag me on Instagram. The link is in my description. If you want more tutorials like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.